If you want to learn how to make Greek yogurt at home, you're in the right place. This simple recipe will take you just a few minutes of work, and it will reward you in about a half a gallon of rich, creamy, thick and delicious Greek style yogurt. I'll give you my tips to make sure that you come out with the best Greek yogurt you can possibly make. So come on into my kitchen. Let me show you how to make Greek yogurt. Pour 1 gallon of milk into the slow cooker. Use the high setting to heat the milk to 180 degrees. With my slow cooker, this takes me about 3 hours, but you'll get to know your slow cooker really well. Each one's a little bit different. See you in a few hours. Once the temperature has reached 180 degrees, you can go ahead and remove the lid and allow the temperature to drop to 110 degrees. Once the milk has dropped to 110 degrees, it's time to add the live culture yogurt. You can get this from your local grocery store. Just make sure that it says live yogurt cultures. There shouldn't be any additives in it, like flavorings or sugar or anything like that, but these are the types of cultures you're going to need. And then you'll add a half a cup of yogurt in dollops to the milk. Now, that's my kitchen kitty YumYum. Whenever there's milk or yogurt around, she likes to be close. But make sure that you don't stir it into the milk. And then you'll cover the milk with a large towel and tuck it in completely. You'll leave it this way, undisturbed, for 12 hours. That's the hope anyway. Take 2 layers of number 10 cheesecloth and wrap it with a rubber band. This will help secure the cheesecloth while you're ladling on the yogurt. Then place the colander into something to catch the whey. We'll use that later. You know, I've been wondering where my elastic bands have been going, and I think I have my answer. Ladle half of the yogurt into the cheesecloth lined colander. As you ladle it, be sure not to disturb it in the colander. Just let it sit how it is and let it drain naturally. Let this drain for an hour or two, or until you achieve your desired thickness. Then scrape off this batch into a container and repeat the process with the second half of the yogurt. The yellow liquid left over is sweet whey, and I like to reserve it and use it in my protein shakes every morning. And that's it. That's how to make Greek yogurt at home. Remember these easy, simple tips. Temperature up to 180, down to 110. Use live cultured yogurt without any flavors or additives. Be sure not to stir the yogurt culture into the milk itself, and just let it rest as it drains. That's it. This yogurt will store for 2 weeks in the refrigerator, if it lasts that long. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate your support. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next episode.